Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In the story so far, we have seen that the older man is sharing his life, and we saw that finally, at one point, he became the finance director, right? Mudir Hisabat. Then what happened when he got an office? He became the finance director of the shop, and his owner bought two more shops next to the shop. Then their business got expanded. Now let's see what happened next, right? في تلك الأيام في تلك الأيام in those days عرفت بنتا جميلة. I knew a beautiful girl. In those days I met a beautiful girl. عرفت means I knew or I met بنتا جميلة, a beautiful girl. كانت ابنة موظف محترم. كانت ابنة موظف محترم. She was the daughter. كانت ابنة. She was the daughter. Daughter of what? Daughter of an employee. Employee. موظف means employee. محترم means respectable. That girl was the daughter of a respectable employee, right? وأحببتها. I loved her, or I started loving her. أحبب يحبب means loving. Ha means her. So I loved her. وأردت, and I wanted أن أتزوجها. I wanted to marry her. وتقدمت, then I sent إلى أسرتها, to her family. أطلب, I sent the proposal. يدها, uh, that means her hand. That means I sent the proposal to her usra, to her family, so that I can get her hand, right? I can get her hand. That means I went to وتقدمت إلى أسرتها means I went to her family to seek her hand, okay? To give, to send the proposal for marriage. وَمَعِي أَخِي, so when I went to her family, my brother was with me. وَمَعِي أَخِي, فَلَمَّا, when عرفوا, they knew, when they knew أنني, that I am لست ابن صاحب المحل, that I am not, when they knew that I'm not a son of a shop's owner, when they knew that I'm not a son of a shop's owner, رفضوا رفضا تاما, they refused me completely. رفضوا means they refused me, they declined me, they rejected me completely. Okay, they did not give even a second thought to accept me. So when they knew that I'm just a worker in a shop, I'm a finance manager or director in a shop, they could not accept me, her family. وطردوني أنا, and they threw me out. أنا وأخي, and my brother. They threw me and my brother out من البيت, from their house. That means they disrespected us, they insulted us, they got us out of their home, they disrespected. وازدادت الدنيا سوادا في عيني. The dunya, the world grew. ازدادت means grew. Grew. The world grew سوادا. The world grew darker. في عيني, in my eyes. Right? In my eyes, the world grew darker. The world got darker. وحاولت, and I tried أن أنسى. I tried to forget. تلك البنت. I tried to forget that girl. واسمها سميرة. Her name is Samira. فلم أستطع, but I couldn't. أستطع means I couldn't forget her. وأنذرني أهلها بإبلاغ صاحب المحل. Her family warned me. أنذر ينذر means warning. Warned me that they would send the message right? They would inform my owner صاحبا بإبلاغ صاحب المحل الأستاذ سلامة. Her family warned me that they would send this message to my owner, right? They would convey about my proposal to the owner Salama. So my owner's name was Salama. إذا if أنا حاولت رؤيتها, if I tried to see her, then her family members will inform my owner that I am interested to marry her or I am disturbing her and I would like to see her. So they threatened me. ثم أخبروه. Finally, they informed him. Okay, they informed my owner. They conveyed the message to my owner. أخبروه means informed. فدخل علي مرة في الصباح. One day he came to me. دخل علي means he came to me. One day he came to me مرة في الصباح. In one of the morning he came to me. My owner came to me. وكلمني كلاما شديدا, and he scolded me a lot. كلمني كلاما شديدا. شديدا means, he shouted at me or he reprimanded me. Reprimand is a different word. Reprimand means shouting at someone or scolding at someone. So وَكَلَّمَنِي كَلَامًا شَدِيدًا, he shouted at me a lot and he scolded me a lot. وَوَبَّخَنِي عَلَى مَا فَعَلْت, and said وَبَّخَ يُوَبِّخُ means shouting at others, shouting at others. وَبَّخَنِي means reprimanded, scolded at me. So وَبَّخَنِي عَلَى مَا فَعَلْت, so he scolded me a lot for what I had done. عَلَى مَا فَعَلْت means what I had done. He scolded me why I proposed that girl, why I went to her home to send the proposal. وحذرني من أن أحاول الاقتراب, and he warned me. Okay, he warned me to not get closer, to not try. And أحاول means to not try. He warned me to not try to get closer. أحاول الاقتراب means to get closer. See, he warned me to not get closer to the street. من الشارع means to the street. الذي تسكن فيه البنت, where the girl lived. Okay, my owner Salama, Ustaz Salama, he warned me that don't go to the street where that girl lives. Okay, he warned me to not get closer to the road, to the street where the girl lived or lives. ويومها, on that day تألمت جدا, I was deeply hurt. I was disheartened. I was disappointed. I got hurt, right? I was deeply hurt. وبكيت, and I cried a lot. وبكيت means I cried a lot. So yeah, this is one of the part of his life journey that he shared, that he loved a girl and he proposed the girl. Unfortunately, her family members didn't accept the proposal because that older man, I mean, that man was not a son of a shop owner. Rather, he was just a worker, or he was just a managing director. I mean, a finance director in a shop. Inshallah, we are gonna continue our story in the next video. Assalamu alaikum.